Can the shrinkage of a cotton-polyester blend be prevented or minimized during washing?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to discuss how to prevent or minimize the shrinkage of a cotton-polyester blend during washing.
What causes shrinkage?
Cotton-polyester blends are loved for their comfort and durability. However, they can be prone to shrinkage, which often occurs due to high washing or drying temperatures. Cotton fibers, in particular, are susceptible to shrinkage as they absorb a lot of water and then contract when heated, resulting in a tighter, smaller fabric.
Can we prevent or minimize shrinkage?
Absolutely. There are several methods you can use to prevent or minimize the shrinkage of your cotton-polyester blend clothes. First, use cold water for washing. Hot water can cause fibers to contract, leading to shrinkage. Using cold water will help maintain the original shape and size of your garment. Second, avoid high heat when drying. High heat can also lead to shrinkage. Instead, try to air dry your garments or use the lowest heat setting on your dryer. Third, consider pre-shrinking your garment. This involves washing and drying the garment at higher temperatures before the first wear. Pre-shrinking can help reduce further shrinkage, but it might initially reduce the size of the garment. Lastly, do not wring out your garments. Wringing out clothes can stress the fabric fibers and lead to shrinkage. Instead, gently squeeze out excess water or roll the garment in a towel.
How to fix shrunken garments?
If your cotton-polyester blend garment has already shrunk, don't panic. There's still a chance to rescue your shrunken clothes. You can try a method involving soaking the garment in a solution of warm water and hair conditioner, then gently stretching it back to size. However, remember that this method can sometimes be risky and might not work on all fabrics. Keeping your cotton-polyester blend garments looking great isn't rocket science, it's all about the right care. By washing in cold water, avoiding high heat when drying, considering pre-shrinking, and being gentle when removing excess water, you can significantly minimize shrinkage. And remember, if your clothes do shrink, it's not the end of the world. There might still be a way to bring them back to life. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to take care of your cotton-polyester blend clothes. Keep these tips in mind next time you do laundry, and your garments will thank you.